Hey guys, welcome to my short tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to hide the ratings of likes and dislikes on your own YouTube videos. That means people who visit your channel and view your videos cannot see how many likes and dislikes you got in your own YouTube videos. So let's start. First, we have to open our browser and log in on our YouTube account. I am already logged in, so let's click on our profile picture on top on the right side, and we have to go on our channel. So let's click your channel, and we are here now on our channel, and we have to click YouTube Studio, and we will be directed to YouTube Studio Beta. So we are here now on our channel dashboard, so let's click on our videos. So here we can see all our videos. So I will check here my latest video. We have two settings here, basic and advanced. So let's choose advanced, and we have to scroll in down. Here, every time you upload a video, YouTube set that automatically that users can view ratings for this video. So if you don't want that, you can uncheck that box. That's all you have to do. And we should not forget to save it. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.